Hi guys, so right now I am packing for my trip to Vegas. Don't mind this look. I have a new headband on from Forever 21, my bathrobe, and my blue light reflect glasses. So this is quite the look. But I have my stuff surrounding me. I'm going for 5 days and I feel really organized for this trip. I don't think I have too much stuff, so I'm excited to show you what I have. Let's pack. So one thing that I'm putting in first, just space-wise, is this new bra. It's going to be 35 degrees on average there, so I just wanted to throw that in case I needed a bra but with no back. Okay, so I have this little outfit that I'm going to throw in. It's actually a little lipstick top with a bra to go underneath and then a skirt that also has lips. So that's a really fun summer outfit. I'm going to pack that in there. Now I have my bathing suits too. Actually, I have this these two pockets already set. This stuff rarely ever moves. I have rollers for sleeping, sleeping rollers for curly hair days. I have a Baggu bag that can actually double as like a carry-on if I need. It's really big and durable. I have a little shoe shiner, extra baggies if I need them for snacks, earplugs, extra headphones, my insurance details, nail file, and some cotton balls. Yeah, so I'm gonna fill up this side. Just gonna put my bathing suits kind of in these little notches between where the handle is. So I try to kind of organize my items to fit within these bumpy spots so that I maximize space. So I'm bringing 3 bathing suits. Then on this side, I'm putting my swim cover up. I also have a purse that I'm bringing. It's a really cute Rebecca Minkoff side bag. I feel like it would fit better on the opposite side. Yeah, I think the front section of this luggage is bigger, so I'm just gonna squeeze it in right here. Great, so the bag's in there. I also love keeping my purses in their dust bags for optimal storage. Another thing, just a little blow-up travel pillow. I doubt I'll need this, but it's good just to have in case. So there we go with that. I have a little toiletries case here. In here I just have like nail clips, extra Q-tips, nail clips, Q-tips, hair elastics, all sorts of little band-aids and stuff. I always keep this fully stocked. And I, come back on a vacation, fill it back up again, and then it's ready to go. Got vitamins, my dental care stuff. I have my toiletries that are not liquids. So I just have some extra tanning lotion, hair stuff, comb, loofah, bar of soap, hairband, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna pop it in here. I also have my pajamas, so I'm gonna roll those, stick them kind of in the corner. I have a little bag that I use for laundry. Have like a bandana style thing for the pool and beach if I need to protect my scalp. That's really good. And then, what else do I want on this side? I'm actually gonna pop in this sheet mask. I'm going to do it when I get to the hotel after the dehydrating flight. This is a bag of liquids. I'm gonna keep this one in my luggage. It's already in the baggies, so depending on the airport, when I was in Florida, we did not need to, when I was in Florida, we did not need to remove our liquids, so I'm kind of banking on that for this trip too. I'm just gonna keep it in there nice and snug and then hope for the best. Oh, I also have my contacts, so I'll slot those in over here. On this side, I'm gonna throw in a little backpack. This one I got at Chapters in the kids section. It is so good for traveling. Okay, now I'm gonna start with like my clothing items. I have just a cardigan, have a dress for daytime. I've kind of separated my clothes out into outfits too, so I have like night, midway, not super fancy, not super cash, and then daytime. So I have 4 outfits for each, and then also like one active wear outfit. It's a gorgeous romper from Abercrombie that I just love for really hot days. I have shorts and a really cute top. And then here I have a skirt and a little silk shirt. This silk shirt could go with those shorts as well that I just packed. So I just rolled up 2 dresses that I fit into the corner here. And then the last item is my Vegas Celine Dion romper. Bought it specifically for this. It's just a really gorgeous beaded romper. So I'm going to close up this side for now. Okay, so now the fun part is fitting my lingerie bag, my shoes, makeup bag in here. Actually, I think I'll just do my makeup bag in my carry-on. That makes it easier. Okay, so let's get started. Did a little rejig in here. I'm going to slot this lingerie bag right into the corner here. This is awesome. I bought it on AliExpress. I have socks up in the top here. And here I just have panty liners and like pasties for when I don't want to wear a bra. I have a few bras in here and underwear, just kind of filling them up. And this just zips closed. So good. How cute and compact is that? I love it. So I just slotted my pajamas and bra over here. And then now I'm going to just throw my shoes. Beauty items. I just have my Foreo face brush. Squeeze it in here. Then I have some false lashes. Okay, so I put a pair of shoes in here, another pair here, and in this bag I have some workout wear. I think I'm going to take it out of the bag to save space. Just put this on the top. And how I actually organize my workout clothing, I have a whole post on it. Packing my gym bag, I just keep it all together. Sports bra, top, pants, underwear, socks, so that I don't forget anything. Okay, let's zip this up. Alrighty, so we are all together. Definitely snug, but totally doable, and it's not expanded yet. So let me show you the carry-on. Totally forgot to throw my flip-flops in here. So let me stick them in the front fit. My carry-on hand luggage for this trip is a really old bag from Banana Republic that I love. It has this water repellent material and a nice long shoulder strap. It's going to be great to use as a pool bag as well. It matches my cute fedora that I'm going to be wearing. So these together are nice and chic. I have 2 hats. I have a little ball cap and then the fedora, so I'll wear one and then just probably clip the ball cap onto my bag. I have luggage tag, and then inside I have a liquids bag, stuff that I might need on the plane, face mist, deodorant, body lotion. I also have my makeup bag because I don't like keeping it in my roller bag simply because that one might need to get checked and then all my makeup will probably smash. So hairbrush so that it stays intact too, and makeup. In here I have this little wallet, has my passport, US money, extras in there. I have my regular wallet in here too that I'll probably just take a few things out of and then leave at home. Just keep that as my main wallet. Got my keys in this adorable little pouch. I keep my keys in a pouch at all times so that they don't scratch my phone and stuff. I also have my planner. I think I'm going to bring it just to keep us on track, and it's good for notes in general. I got wet ones. I use these before eating or to wipe down the plane seat and tray table. These are my sunglasses. These are my prescription glasses. A cute case from Japan. In this little Sephora baggie, I have extra underwear. I have a tank top, and extra socks. Always good in case you get stranded or if your feet are cold too. It's nice to have extra socks on an airplane. I have the latest fashion magazine And in the side pockets here, I got a little body wipe, my headphones, earbuds. Keep earbuds with the cord so that I can plug them into the entertainment system. I have my phone, I have a little eyeglass wipe and business cards. Who knows when you're going to be networking. I got some Reactin allergy pills and just 2 little lip glosses in the pocket here. Ooh, this one I love. Minis are so good for travel. This little Givenchy lip balm is so awesome. It's almost done. It's almost done, but it's one of those like color changing lip balms. Love that. I'll probably finish it on vacation. In the main pocket, I have some face powder. Hot tip, you can use face powder on your bangs as well. So if you have bangs, I just keep a little brush in the back here as opposed to a sponge. Let me show you. Little brush. Oh my gosh, it is so good for just brushing onto my bangs to take away some of the grease. Also in here I have a little dust bag in here too that I keep my phone charger, an eye mask, my Laneige sleeping lip mask in there, and I think some earplugs. I keep this in my bag just in case I need it for the plane. And this is just what I drop right beside the bed. I always keep it together and I never take it out of my travel bag, so I'll never forget the essentials. I have one more pocket. In the back here. I just have some gum and tissues. I also have my non-prescription sunglasses for when I'm wearing contacts. And I got my extra pen. And then this is a mirror and comb. So good. It's a little vintage Clinique one, but really nice hybrid mirror comb. That is everything. Just a little bit of extra space if I do some shopping. I'm letting my luggage air out. I'll close it up tomorrow. But yeah, happy with everything. And I am so excited to go on vacation. A few more last minute additions. I have rubber gloves for when I do self-tanning. I also have my little travel hair straightener. So I'm gonna just slot that into my big luggage. I'm gonna bring 1 or 2 books. Haven't decided which. My water bottle. I have some snacks, some candy, some chickpea chips, and then some of these little Parmesan cheese crisps. They are so good, and I'm just gonna throw them in my carry-on. Also, I have my jewelry bag here with a few extra chargers, and my camera. I think I'm gonna bring, my big camera with like 2 lenses. I also have this little memory card reader to put the pictures onto my phone because I'm not bringing a computer for Instagram purposes. So that goes in here. And then I think that is everything. Also my phone, but that is a given. Woohoo! Here we go.